Hey everybody. I ran into a little problem with my car. Took me a few days to kind of figure out what it was. First I thought it was the starter because the battery I had checked, it was good. Popped the starter off. Turns out the starter was good. So what was happening was I would turn the car on and it wouldn't start. I fixed the problem, so now it does start. But turns out what happened was everything would come on. It just wouldn't start. You hear like a miniature clicking noise, which is from the starter trying to engage. But turns out, I realized that my brake lights weren't coming on when I was pressing the brake, which I found on that. Here's a quick fix. Let me grab my flashlight here. So if your brake lights are not coming on and your car does not start, you want to check the brake sensor, which is located under the dashboard right here. It's the black piece right here. So if you want a quick fix, I didn't replace it yet, but all I did was unplug this black piece right here. I'm sorry, the white wire into the black one, and the car started right up. So not sure if I actually need to replace it yet, but I guess I'll find out sooner or later. If you have any questions, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you.